Attempting a video for Color Guard for 2023. The first song that we will be doing is called Smoke on the Water. Every move that you make is a beat, a number, and so it's usually a count of 8. So it'll be a continuous count of 8. So the first part of the song are some dynamic slams. A dynamic slam is going to look like this, and it'll be a right slam. And when you are in a right slam, your right hand is at the top at the base of the flag and your left hand is at the bottom. And so if you were to look at me from behind, this is my right hand and my left hand. And so a right slam is like this. So a right slam, and that's a dynamic slam. So it's really hard. You want to hear that flag slap, and you want to bring it back up. So the first 8 counts are with slams. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 2 counts are shoulder slams. So you'll only go halfway. You will not hear the flag slap. It will only be halfway at your shoulders. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you'll go back up 7, 8. So that is the first 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will do some more slams. The next 8 looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to do what's called a drop spin. A drop spin looks like this. We will be learning drop spins when we're together at camp. A drop spin is where you take the flag down to your belly button and you are going to drop it. You're not using your left hand, so I just dropped it with my right hand. Now my right thumb is facing the ground. I'm going to take my left hand and my thumb is going to be down. I'm grabbing underneath my right hand. Here's my right hand, here's my left hand. So a drop spin. Down to the belly button, drop, spin, hand is upside down, left hand, spin up. Then you bring it back up. When you're bringing it back up, you don't notice it because the flag is in the way, but you're having a hand change because your left hand was here and then the right hand moves it up. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you'll repeat it. That same 2 counts of 8 are repeated. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the first 2 8 counts of the song. It's repeated. I tried to make something easy for everyone to learn. Again, I forgot to do my shoulder slam there, but that's all right. The next part of the song becomes a little bit more elegant, so we're going to do some ballet and cheer moves with this. Color Guard is a mixture of those 2. So the next part of it, you're going to move your arm to this side, and then all the way over to the other side. Move your hands down, and then over. When you move the flag over here on the bottom, you let go with your left hand. You're going to cross here, up, down. That flagpole is behind your shoulder, but there isn't much that makes it move to the front of your shoulder. So that's what you'll be doing. You'll move that flag to the front of your shoulder, grab it with your left hand, and bring it up. So I'll show you that part. It's a count of 8 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first part of the song should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 4 counts of 8, and that's where you should be at that point. Then we're going to move on to what's called, either you could call it a stir or a figure 8. But you're going to do the stir on the top as well on the bottom. So that's why I call it a figure 8. So what it's going to look like is this. If I stand to the side, you are going to put your flag to the right. Back, put your flag to the right, and you're going to turn it. So your flag, you will turn it like you're making a circle. So I'm going to stir up on top, and I'm back at the top. So just practice making circles. And that flagpole, the bottom part, should be at your belly button. It should never leave when you're making stirs on the top. Then it's going to have to leave once you return back to the front. Then your hands tip. So your left hand that has the bottom of the pole is now going to be at your forehead, still holding the bottom of the pole. And you're going to stir on the bottom. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 counts. When you're counting, when you're doing those stirs or figure 8s, you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's that part. That would follow after doing the elegant part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after you're done with that, it goes right back into the slams, and we repeat that 2 times. And at the end, there's this little chime that, I don't know, a little ring to the trumpet, and so we just pop down and pop back up. So the whole routine should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. And that's the routine for Smoke on the Water.